Editing your KVCore website allows you to customize it to better match your brand and appeal to your target audience. Here's a quick guide on how to make edits. Access Website Manager. Log into your KVCore dashboard and go to the Web and IDX section. This is where you will find options to edit various parts of your website. Edit appearance and layout. In the Web and IDX settings, you can customize the look and layout of your site. Select the layout that best fits your style and choose from options like header color, logo upload, and background images. Adjusting these elements helps your website align with your branding. Content customization. KVCore allows you to add and edit content on pages. Navigate to custom pages if you want to add new pages with information about your services, team, or community resources. For blog content or real estate updates, use the blog feature to engage visitors and boost SEO. SEO and meta tags. Under SEO settings, you can customize page titles, meta descriptions, and keywords, which improve your website's visibility in search engines. Social media integration. You can link your social media accounts in the Web and IDX settings, allowing visitors to connect with you on multiple platforms.